We are witnessing a historic moment in India with the abrogation of Article 370. While this is a progressive step taken for people of Jammu and Kashmir, some of the Western leaders and media houses have fallen to the propaganda that there is a human rights situation in Kashmir and that this is against the will of Kashmiri people. What pains me is that it is not only factually incorrect but also shows their ignorance about various dimensions of this complex issue. Do they know the sentiment of people who rightfully represent the real Kashmiriyat? The indigenous people of Jammu and Kashmir? Be it Kashmiri Hindus, Buddhists, Sufi Muslims, or Dogras? I am a proud Kashmiri Hindu, and Kashmir has been land of my ancestors for thousands of years. Over the last 700 years, we have been the biggest victims of ethnic cleansing by radical Islamists. We were oppressed, forcefully converted, murdered, raped, and forced to leave our homeland not once, but multiple times. In fact, we would have been extinct during the time of Aurangzeb itself had it not been for Guru Tegh Bahadur, 9th Sikh Guru, who sacrificed his life to save Kashmiri Hindus. The last exodus in 1990 was the 7th one in history. I was around 10 years old when we left our home, leaving behind everything and never to go back again. All I have is the cherished memories of my early childhood and a hope to go back home someday. You know what I'm most proud of? In spite of everything we suffered, we did not lose our core values of tolerance and non-violence. Aren't you amazed that despite all the atrocities against us, not even a single misguided Kashmiri Hindu youth picking up a gun in revenge? I am appalled that a genocide of this scale happens and there are no suspects, no court proceedings, no convicts for any of these killings. And after all this, people who killed us, forced us out, have no remorse. In fact, they have the audacity to tell me that we didn't force you out. It was the state governor who asked you to leave. So Indian government is to be blamed for your situation. This is a total lie. It's hard to put in words what our community went through. Just imagine, someone tells you at a gunpoint that you must leave your home today, else your family will be killed, your house burned down, and your woman raped. Without a second thought, you would leave. This is what happened to us over generations. Eventually, we were wiped out of our own homeland. And over time, people who took over our home became the only voice of Kashmir which the world seems to be listening. Again, turning a deaf ear to our voice, the voice of real victims, the original inhabitants of Kashmir. Today, I'm not only feeling the pain of what happened to me, my family, and my fellow community members in the last 30 years, but also the pain of my ancestors who suffered for over 700 years. I'll just conclude with a poem attempting to express the emotion in me and my community in large. ये 70 साल की बात नहीं 700 वर्ष पुरानी है। ये 70 साल की बात नहीं 700 वर्ष पुरानी है। आज भी मैं जीवित हूँ, ये 7 पीढ़ियों की कुर्बानी है। कुछ लोग कहते हैं किसी ने कहाँ निकाला तुमको, तुम तो यूं ही भाग आए। किसी ने कहाँ निकाला तुमको, तुम तो यूं ही भाग आए। अरे पहली बार हुआ होता तो चलो मान भी जाए। 7वीं बार निकाला तुमने फिर भी शर्म न आए। नंदी मार्ग वंदामा जैसे कई कत्लेआम हुए। नंदी मार्ग वंदामा जैसे कई कत्लेआम हुए। टिकलाल जैसे कई वीरों ने अपने प्राण त्याग दिए। ना कोई मुजरिम ना ही गवाह, ना कोई मुजरिम ना ही गवाह, बिना लड़े ही हम हार गए। हमसे तो अच्छा वो चिंकारा, हमसे तो अच्छा वो चिंकारा शायद गलती से भाई ने मारा, मुजरिम भी मिला और गवाह भी, मुजरिम भी मिला और गवाह भी, सुनवाई भी हुई और सजा भी। किस मिट्टी के बने हुए हम जाने कितने वार हुए, किस मिट्टी के बने हुए हम जाने कितने वार हुए, आतंकी बनने को तुमने वजह हमें हजार दिए। क्या मैं कायर हूं या निर्बल हूं, क्या मैं कायर हूं या निर्बल हूं। अहिंसा ही तो बल है मेरा, यही मेरा हथियार है, कागज और कलम ही तो मेरी तलवार है। गुरु तेग बहादुर के बलिदान को यूं ही हम ना जाने दें, गुरु तेग बहादुर के बलिदान को यूं ही हम ना जाने दें, इस बुझते हुए दिए को आओ हम यूं ही ना बुझने दें। फिर से उस बाग में नया हम एक बीज बोएं, फिर से उस बाग में नया हम एक बीज बोएं, सदियों से पीड़ित इस वृक्ष को चलो नया एक जीवन दें। ये 70 साल की बात नहीं, 700 वर्ष पुरानी है, आज भी मैं जीवित हूं, ये 7 पीढ़ियों की कुर्बानी है।